Hello, this video is in response to a posting by Bing on the Notion Made Simple Facebook group. So this is looking at how we can delegate tasks from a personal database to a master teams database. And there's relations already with projects and work. So I've been testing a bit to see what was possible with this. And let's say here I am on my master task list. And I'm going to create a new task. I'm going to call it Delegated Task. I'm going to delegate it to my assistant, Faye, and I'm going to tag it with a project Notion online course. And give it a date of tomorrow. So now I have created that task, and this is in my personal setup area, workspace, where Faye will not actually have access to see this. So my task is in my personal life database, where when you go to the sharing settings, you can see I haven't invited anyone. So now I'm going to go to my tasks again, and it should be in my upcoming tasks. I'm going to drag this delegated task to my Teams database. So Life Success Planner, that's the sort of Teams area, and if I go to tasks now, this is the Teams task view. The delegated tasks has been moved to this Teams database. Now if I open this up, it's managed to keep the person that I delegated to, but it hasn't kept the project. So it's a shame that that doesn't happen. But when you're here, you can tag this to an existing project as well, the Teams database. And you will see also that this database here, if I go to share, that's been shared with my assistant.